welcome to Chemistry Kingdom YouTube channel. I am Mahesh Kote. As you know, you see Haloalkens, Haloarenes chapter. So if you have not seen the previous videos, the link is given in the description. Please go through that and then come to this one. So up to preparation of haloalkanes we have completed. In today's class we are going to talk about physical properties. Before going to physical properties and also comparative questions on physical properties. Okay. Before going to that, the last class I have given. So some of you have given answer also. Carefully see. I will tell the correct answer. N-butane reacts with Br2 in presence of UV light to give. Means N-butane means 4 carbon. I told you they are asking for the main product. First position, here also first position. This is one answer. Second position, here also second position. This is one answer. So you will get two answers. 1 bromobutane, 2 bromobutane. This is 2 bromobutane, 1 bromobutane. So this is the correct answer for this question. This is tertiary. You will not get tertiary, right? Because it is a N bromobutane. I hope you understood. Those who have given the first option, 100% correct. Yes, take down. We'll go to the physical properties of haloalkanes, right? Yes. Physical properties of haloalkanes. First, the point I have written here. Alkyl halides are colorless. Alkyl halides are colorless when pure. However, bromides and iodides develop color when exposed to sunlight. Means almost all haloalkanes are colorless in a normal condition, in a pure condition. But when they expose to sunlight, they will develop color. Second point. Many volatile halogen compounds have sweet smell. They have a sweet smell like perfumes. Haloalkanes have a sweet smell. Coming to next point. Lower members are gases and higher members are either liquids or solids. Means first methyl chloride, ethyl chloride, like this 2 carbon containing up to 2-3 carbons, they are gases. Then after that they become liquid or solid state. Then most important, boiling point, dipole moment, nature of CX bond and solubility. These things we are mainly focusing in physical properties because from this you are getting the comparative questions also and board questions also. Let us discuss with boiling point. What is boiling point, guys? It is nothing but temperature at which vapor pressure of the liquid becomes equal to atmospheric pressure. Sir, ಏನಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರ ಯಾವ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ವೇಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ವೇಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೋ ಆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸರ್ ಇದೇನು ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದಷ್ಟು ತಿಳಿದಿದೆಯಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೋ ಆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ? ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವೇಟ್, ವಂಡರ್ ವಾಲ್ಸ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಲಿತು ಅದ್ರ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೋ ಏನೇನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲು ನೀವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. ಏನಿದೆ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ಎಸ್, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ is directly proportional to molecular weight, directly proportional to van der Waals force, directly proportional to van der Waals force of attraction, van der Waals force of attraction, and inversely proportional to branching. Don't forget this point, most important. Inversely proportional to branching. Which one? Boiling point is directly proportional to, yes, molecular weight, directly proportional to van der Waals force of attraction, but inversely proportional to branching. Sir, ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವೇಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದ್ರೆ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ, van der Waals force of attraction ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದ್ರೆ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದ್ರೆ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಯಾಕೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತದ ಸರ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್. ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. So ಯಾವಾಗ molecule becomes compact, at that time it becomes a spherical shape and surface area decreases. If surface area decreases, van der Waals force of attraction also decreases. Therefore boiling point also decreases. ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆದ್ರೆ van der Waals force of attraction ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸರ್, ಈ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್? ಇನ್ನು ಏನೇನು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಮೊದಲು ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಸ್. ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. Just I told, boiling point is directly proportional to molecular weight, inversely proportional to branching. So 4 type of question ಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನೋಡಿ, for same alkyl group order of boiling point is, for same alkyl group order of boiling point is same alkyl group ಅಂದ್ರೆ R ಅನ್ನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಡುದ, halogen ಅನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. RF, RCl, RBr and RI. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ R ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, alkyl group is same but halogen group is different. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದ, ಮಾಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್, ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್, ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್, ಅಯೋಡಿನ್. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Top to bottom, size increases, molecular mass also increases. So which is having highest molecular mass? Iodine. Therefore, iodine has a more boiling point compared to bromine, compared to chlorine. What is the reason here? What is the reason, guys? Reason is boiling point increases with molecular mass. Boiling point increases with the molecular mass. Because iodine has highest molecular mass, therefore more van der Waals force of attraction, therefore boiling point is also more. This is first one for same alkyl group. Second one, for same halogen. For same halogen atom. For same halogen atom, order of boiling point is ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಡುದು, ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, CH3 CH2 CH2 Cl, CH3 CH2 Cl, CH3 Cl. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, Cl Cl Cl. ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಮೊದಲು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದಾವೆ, 2 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್ increases, boiling point also increases. So clearly which is having highest molecular mass? Propyl chloride, then ethyl chloride, then methyl chloride. What is the reason, guys? Again, what is the reason? Reason is again clear. Reason is due to increase in boiling point increases with molecular mass, molecular weight. The boiling point increases with molecular weight. For same, yes, for same halogen, boiling point increases with increase in carbon chain, increase in carbon atoms. I hope you understood. So this is the second category. Means first case we kept R fix. R andra alkyl fix ittu halogen change madre enagtiti, iodine powerful, more molecular weight, more boiling point. Iga halogen fix idideo, chlorine ಅಥವಾ bromine ಅದನ್ನ fix ಇಡುದು. ಈಗ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ವಿತ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಡೋದು, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಡೋದು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕಂತ ಐಸೋಮರ್ಸ್, ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಐಸೋಮರ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಐಸೋಮರಿಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಅಲ್ಕೇನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಫಾರ್ ಐಸೋಮರಿಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಅಲ್ಕೇನ್ಸ್. ಐಸೋಮರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಸರ್? ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಸೇಮಾ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮಾ, ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಸೊ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ನೋಡೋಣ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಫಾರ್ ಐಸೋಮರಿಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಅಲ್ಕೇನ್ಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಟರ್ಷರಿ. ಇದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಸನ್ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಮೊದಲು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಚೈನ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. CH3 CH2 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 Cl ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡಿದೀವಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರೀನು CH3 CH2 CH3 Cl. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರೀ ನೋಡಿ CH3 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 here Cl. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ A ಅನ್ನೋಣ, ಇದನ್ನ B ಅನ್ನೋಣ, ಇದನ್ನ C ಅನ್ನೋಣ. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು 1 2 3 4 4 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 1 2 3 4 4 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 1 2 3 4 4 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ 4 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದಾವ್ರಿ. ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ 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 ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 3 6 9 3 5 7 9 3 6 8 9. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಬ್ರಾಂಚಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಚೈನ್. Here one branch is there. Here two branch are there. So you know already as branching increases, boiling point decreases. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ A ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಿಂತ highest ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ. ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ. ಇದು ಟರ್ಷರಿ. So A is greater than B is greater than C. So ಏನ್ reason? What is the reason? See, for isomeric haloalkanes, boiling point decreases with branching. This is because, what is the reason? This is because as branching increases, surface area decreases. Surface area decreases, and hence van der Waals force also decreases. Van der Waals force also decreases. Therefore, boiling point decreases. I hope you understood the meaning. So what I am explaining here, as branching increases, yes, branching increases, surface area decreases, therefore van der Waals force of attraction decreases, therefore boiling point decreases. Most important, so many times they have asked in JEE and NEET KCET exams. They are asking, they have given different example, but you can easily understand. Straight chain, more boiling point. Branched chain, less boiling point. Right? So one more is there. We'll discuss that, and we'll go to dipole moment and solubility. Okay, take down. Among the polyhalogen compounds, CCl4, CHCl3, CH2Cl2 and CH3Cl. Again we are talking about boiling point. You know that boiling point is directly proportional to molecular mass, inversely proportional to branching. So as you see here, 4 chlorine are there, 3 chlorine, 2 chlorine, 1 chlorine. As chlorine atom increases, molecular mass increases, therefore boiling point also increases. So this is the order for polyhalogen compounds. I hope you understood. Now coming to density. What is density, guys? Density is equal to mass divided by volume. Mass divided by volume. That means clearly density is directly proportional to molecular mass. Density is directly proportional to molecular mass. So carefully see, I have taken the example, the order of density of alkyl halide and water. Always remember, water comes at the third position. First Ri, RBr, RCl, Rn. In between that you will get a water. This is a density order. What is density? Mass divided by volume. First PU, some basic concept of chapter you studied the basic part. Right? Yes. Coming to the example of density of polychloromethanes. Again same. Chlorine is more. More number of chlorine, more is molecular mass. More is mass, more is the density. Again same answer. Here water will come at the fourth position. I hope you understood. Density depends upon mass divided by volume. Directly proportional to mass, inversely proportional to volume. I hope you understood. This is regarding density and boiling point. Next we will talk about dipole moment, nature of CX bond and solubility, and then we will go to question. Take down the point. See guys, next one, dipole moment. What is dipole moment? Already you studied. Dipole moment denoted by mu, which is equal to Q into length. Dipole moment is equal to Q into distance. You know that already studied in chemical bonding chapter, first PU. Some of you have commented that explain the dipole moment of methyl chloride and methyl bromide, sir. That only I have taken here. Carefully observe guys. Alkyl halides are polar compounds and their polarity depends on electronegativity of halogen. Correct? So more the electronegativity of halogen, more is the polarity, more is the dipole moment. So according to you, what should be the answer? CH3F, CH3Cl, CH3Br, CH3R. If you talk about electronegativity, fluorine is greater than, chlorine is greater than, bromine is greater than iodine. You know that. So, but if you write this is an order, so 100% wrong. Because methyl fluoride has second number. Means, what is the correct order, guys? What is the correct order? CH3Cl first comes, then CH3F, then CH3Br, then CH3I. Why, sir, this is the case? Why fluorine comes at the second position in spite of having fluorine more electronegative? Why it is coming at the second position? Because fluorine has small size. So if you talk about charge into length, the length is very small. Therefore, dipole moment is also small. What is the reason, guys? This is because, see, fluoromethane has less dipole moment than chloromethane. This is because fluorine has very small size. Fluorine has very small size. So overall dipole moment will be less than that of chlorine. Because if you talk about charge into length, dipole moment is there. So for chlorine and fluorine is more electronegative, no doubt about that. Charge is more, but length is very, very small. If you multiply charge and length, that will be less than our chloromethane. So clearly, fluoromethane comes at the second position. Remaining same, no doubt about that. I hope you understood. So this one also they have asked one time in 2019 NEET exam. Okay, so I hope you understood. Last one we will discuss about solubility and then we will go to competitive questions. Yes, take down. Haloalkanes are being polar, so they do not form a hydrogen bond with water. Therefore, they are very slightly soluble in water. Haloalkanes are slightly soluble. Haloalkanes are slightly, very less, slightly soluble in water. This is because they do not form hydrogen bond with water. Remember this pointer. Haloalkanes are slightly soluble. What is the meaning of slightly soluble? Very less soluble in water because they do not form hydrogen bond with water. But haloalkanes are soluble in organic solvents. Yes, haloalkanes are soluble in organic solvents. Haloalkanes are highly soluble in organic solvents. Sir, what is the meaning of organic solvent, sir? Organic solvent means they contain carbon, CHCl3, chloroform, CCl3, carbon tetrachloride, benzene, toluene. These are called organic solvent. In organic solvent, haloalkanes are readily soluble. I hope you understood regarding physical properties. We will discuss now competitive problems on physical properties. Yes, take down. Second question, what I have written? Most volatile question. Most volatile chloride they are asking. These are nothing but practice questions. For competitive purpose. See here. Most volatile chloride is. So what is the meaning of volatile? Volatile means easily evaporated. When they have easily evaporated, easily converted into liquid into gas. When they are easily converted to liquid into gas, when they are having less boiling point. Correct or not? Remember, boiling point is more, volatility is less. Boiling point is less, volatility is more. So shall I write like this? Boiling point, yes, boiling point inversely proportional to volatility. Boiling point inversely proportional to volatility because more boiling point, less volatile. And one more point, remember, already we studied, boiling point is directly proportional to molecular weight. Now tell me the options. Ethyl chloride, butyl chloride, methyl chloride, propyl chloride. If you talk about it, eth means 2 carbon, but means 4 carbon, meth means 1 carbon, prop means 3 carbon. Which is having highest molecular mass? 4 carbon. So clearly butyl is having more volatile character. Correct? Correct? No, because molecular mass is more, boiling point is more. Boiling point is more, volatility is less. So it is not an answer. Remember, ethyl means 2 carbon. Butyl means 4 carbon. Propyl means 3 carbon. Methyl means 1 carbon. So clearly, more molecular mass, more boiling point. More boiling point, less volatility. So they are asking most volatile. Most volatile means less boiling point. Less boiling point means less molecular mass. Which is having less molecular mass? Methyl chloride is the correct answer. I hope you understood. Because it is having 1 carbon, less number of carbon, less molecular weight. Less molecular weight, clearly less molecular weight, clearly less boiling point, more volatility. I hope you understood. Coming to next one. Among the following, the density is maximum in. I told you, density is directly proportional to molecular mass. Density is directly proportional to molecular mass. Already we have studied that. So carefully see, 1 chlorine, 2 chlorine, 3 chlorine, 4 chlorine. As number of chlorine atom increases, molecular mass increases. Molecular mass increases, density also increases. I hope you understood. Just take down, we'll go to next questions. Which of the following has highest boiling point? I just told you, boiling point, yes, boiling point directly proportional to molecular weight, inversely proportional to branching. More the branching, lesser is the boiling point. So first you write the structure. 1 chloropentane means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, CH2Cl. Remaining CH2, 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 CH3. 1 chloropentane. This is a correct structure. Isopentyl chloride. You write 4 carbons. You write Cl and write here CH3. Iso means 1 branch is present. That is the meaning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon with 1 branching is called isopentyl chloride. I hope you understood. Now coming to this one, tertiary pentyl chloride means for the chlorine attached carbon having 3 substituents. 3 over 4 and 5. This is tertiary carbon, no? I hope you understood. Tertiary pentyl chloride. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now all have same. This is 100% wrong. Now you check. All are having same carbons or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon, 1 chlorine. All are having same molecular formula. I told you, when all are having same molecular formula but a different structure, then you have to go for branching concept. Now first one straight chain, second one branch, third one 2 branch. So just I told, as branching increases, boiling point decreases. So which is having highest boiling point? Which is having least branching. Are you getting my point? So which is having least branching? 1 chloropentane is the correct answer. I hope you understood. Take down, we'll go to next question. Order of boiling point. You know that already. Boiling point is directly proportional to molecular weight, inversely proportional to branching. You just comment your answer for this question. Previously also same question I have discussed, but they have asked a different type of asking question. Mode of asking question is different, but concept is same. Comment your answer for this question. Comment your answer, either A, B, C. Which answer is correct for this question? You comment your answer. Okay? Yes. Just comment your answer. Take down the question. We'll go to next question. What they are asking? Progressive increase in boiling point from methyl chloride to methyl iodide is due to ಅಂದರೆ CH3Cl, CH3Br, CH3I. ಈ ಕಡೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೋದಂಗ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಎರಡು ರೀಸನ್. ಒಂದು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು polarity ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಾಂಡ್ polarity ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Electronegativity of iodine is less than chlorine, no? So electronegativity decreases, polarity, bond polarity decreases, molecular mass increases. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Lower polarity but higher molar mass. So which is present in the third option in CH3I. I hope you understood. Chlorine ದಿಂದ iodine ಹೋದಂಗ molecular mass ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ, polarity ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈಜ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಎರಡನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Alkyl halides are less soluble in water. This is due to alkyl halides. So water ದೊಳಗ ಕಮ್ಮಿ solubility ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಾವು. ಎದಕ್ಕಿದಾವ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ alkyl halides ವಾಟರ್ ಗುಡಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುದಿಲ್ಲ. Alkyl halides do not form hydrogen bond with water. So clearly see, they ionize in water? No, they do not form hydrogen bond with water. Therefore, they are less soluble in water, but they are soluble in organic solvent. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೂ 2 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದಾವ್ರಿ, ಬಿಡಿಸೋಣ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್. 7 and 8 I have taken here. Which of the following statement is correct? Order of density. You know, order of density depends upon what? Density is equal to mass divided by volume. So density directly proportional to molecular weight. Iodine, bromine, chlorine, fluorine. Which is having more molecular mass? Iodine. Iodine, then bromine, then chlorine, then fluorine. So first option is correct. Stability of alkyl halide. I told you, stability of alkyl halide depends upon what? Bond strength. You know that bond strength is directly proportional to, inversely proportional to bond length. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ Ri ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಿಂತ ಉದ್ದ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರ್ತಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ is directly proportional to bond strength and bond strength is inversely proportional to bond length. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರಬೇಕು, ಬಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್, ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್, ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್, ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ ದಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದ್ದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಐತಿ? ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈಜ್ ಸಣ್ಣದೈತಿ, ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಸಣ್ಣದೈತಿ. ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಸಣ್ಣದಿದ್ರ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದ್ರ ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಜಾದ. I hope you understood. So second option also correct. Talking about third one, among isomeric haloalkanes, idantu ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆನು. When molecular formula is same, structure is different, boiling point is directly proportional to molecular weight, inversely proportional to branching. Branching ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದಂಗ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಟರ್ಷರಿ. ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. I hope you understood. Now coming to last question, dipole moment order for methyl halide. Methyl fluoride, methyl chloride, methyl iodide ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನಂತೂ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆನು. So just you comment your answer. What is your answer? Just comment. Don't comment your answer. Don't comment like A, B, C. Just comment along with question number. ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈ ಸಲ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 8th ಕ್ವಶನ್ A, B, C ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಅದು. Okay na? So I hope this video is helpful to you. If this is helpful to you, please share the video among your friends so that every student can get a benefit of it. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನ ಬೆಂಬಲಿಸಲು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕನ್ನಡಾಂಬೆ.